We have a special episode today. Actually got a guest on it, Vineet Prasad. He's a financial coach with Savings Academy.
Thanks, Robinson, and thanks, Gabe. I appreciate you both having me on today. Big fan from previous episodes I've watched in the past, so it's great to be here.
How would your parents describe what you do for a living?
He runs a business that helps people save money.
How do you feel about credit card rewards? And
how many credit cards do you have?
I don't want to talk about it.
Most people's instinct is to, once they realize like, oh my gosh, I'm spending way more than I thought.
One of my questions here is like, what do people struggle with when they're trying to essentially execute on the budget?
They have general plans and not specific plans.
If you could turn back time and talk to your 18-year-old self, what would you tell him?
Just enjoy the experience of, your career and, your college experience more so than trying to get from A to B to C to D. The biggest mistake I'd say I've made was like the classic one around.
Vineet, how do you structure a budget in a partnership with your spouse or with your partner?
The first thing I would say is I think transparency is important, especially if you're married or in a long-term partnership. If both people are open to it, I think it is good to have kind of one central repository of all your inflows and outflows.